Students, we can continue the exercise 12.3. Next question, question number 9. In the given figure, so this is the given figure. Okay, A, B and CD. These A, B and CD are the diameter of the big circle. Okay, and with the center O. This is the center O. Perpendicular to each other. So these two lines are perpendicular. Perpendicular means here it is creating 90 degree each. Okay, so OD is the diameter of the small circle. You can see here one small circle, this circle. This is the small circle. And this line, OD is the diameter of this circle. Okay. If OA means radius of this circle from here to here. That means radius of the big circle. OA is equal to 7 centimeter. Find the area of the shaded region. We have to find area of this one, area of this one, area of this one. So how can we find the area of shaded region? Area of shaded region, we can find it as area of small circle, area of small circle plus area of this. First of all, we have to calculate, this is one semicircle, correct? A, E, C, F, B. So we have to calculate area of this full semicircle. So plus area of semicircle, which is the circle A, E, C, F, B. Till here, A, E, C, F, B. Then we have to subtract this triangle area because this is not shaded. In this semicircle, this triangle ACB or ABC, this is not shaded. So we have to subtract this area. Then only we will get these two portions, correct? Again, we should add this circle area also. So again, we should subtract area of triangle ABC. So if we want to calculate the area of shaded portion, we have to calculate first area of small circle. This circle area, area of this semicircle, again area of this triangle. Then substitute the values, find the area of shaded portion. Clear? So first I am going to calculate area of small circle. How can we calculate area of small circle? What is the, this is also circle. What is the equation for finding area of circle? Area of circle is equal to pi r square. So if you are checking here, pi, value of pi which is given in the question, you should put it as 22 divided by 7 into r. How can we calculate r? From here to OA is 7. That means OD also 7. OD is equal to 7. But that OD is the diameter of this small circle, correct? We have to take the radius of this circle. So how can we calculate this r? This 7 divided by 2, half of this 7, correct? So I am calculating 7 by 2 into, this is r square. So you should multiply 2 times r. 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. 7, 7 cancelling. These 2 cancelling 11. So 11 into 7, 77 divided by this 2. And this centimeter square is the area of this circle. So first portion over. Next we have to calculate area of semicircle. So how can we calculate area of semicircle? Semicircle area, how can we calculate? What is the equation? Half, this is half of the circle, correct? So half of area of circle, pi r square. So half into 22 divided by 7 into, what is the radius of this bigger circle? That is 7. So 7 into 7. 7, 7 cancelling 11 comes here. So 77 centimeter square. 11 into 7. 77 centimeter square is the area of semicircle. Next we have, so this portion over. Next we have to calculate area of triangle. So I am calculating area of triangle ABC. Which is this? This is ABC. Correct? So we can apply the equation half into AB. AB into OC. This is the height of the triangle OC, because if you are taking this triangle, this is the height of the triangle, and you can take this as the base AB. So I am applying half into AB into height. You can take it as OC. What is OC? OC is the radius of this circle. So this is also 7 centimeters. So half into, what is AB? This is 7 centimeter. This is 7 centimeters. So AB is 7 plus 7 is equal to 14. 14 into OC is 7. Cancelling these two, you will get here 7. 7 into 7, 49 centimeters square. So required area, how can we calculate required area? Area of small circle. What is area of small circle? That is 77 divided by 2 plus area of semicircle, that is here 77, minus area of triangle, that is minus 49. After calculating this answer, we will get the final answer is equal to 66.5 centimeter square. This is the required area of this shaded portion. Okay, next I will show you from here. Question number 10. What is the question? The area of an equilateral triangle ABC is given. So the area of this equilateral triangle is given 17,320.5 centimeter square. With each vertex of triangle as center, a circle is drawn with radius equal to half the length of the side of the triangle. So I am taking here these 3 points as centers. I am drawing 3 circles here. This is the center of this circle. C is the center of the second circle, and B is the center of the third circle. That is explained here. Find the area of shaded region. We have to find area of this portion. How can we find? Area of this triangle is given, correct? So how can we find the area of this shaded portion? So first I am taking, let the side of equilateral triangle be A, because here it is given area. So I am taking that A be the side of one side, means all the sides are equal. So side of the equilateral triangle be A. So what is the equation for finding area of equilateral triangle? That is root 3 by 4 into side square. Side is A square, which is given in the question, that is 17,320.5. Substitute the value here. From these two values, means by using the equation and substituting the value of triangle area, I can find out the value of A from this equation. So root 3 by 4 and root 3, value of root 3 is equal to 1.73205 divided by this 4 into A square written here. Answer is equal to this one. So A square we can calculate easily. This number into this 4 comes on the numerator, this number comes on the denominator. So these two numbers you can cancel easily, or you can first of all reduce this point, remove this point. So you can divide, this is only one number after point, so I am dividing it by 10. Here it is 1 2 3 4 5 numbers, so I am dividing it by 1 5 zeros. Okay, so easily you can find out 4 into 10,000 will be the area square. So we can find out area, so not area, A side square is equal to 4 into 10,000. So easily we can find out side. Side is equal to root of this number. Root 4 is equal to 2, and root of 10,000 is equal to 100. So 2 into 100 is equal to 200 centimeter. We got a side of this triangle A is equal to 200 centimeters. So first of all we have to find this side by using area of equilateral triangle, because value is given. From that we can find out the value of A. Value of A means equilateral triangle side. Okay, next, each sector is measure 60 degree, because here you can see in this figure, here we can see this is 60 degree, this is also 60 degree, this is also 60 degree. This is one sector, this is one sector, this is one sector, correct? Because this is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle is making 60 degree each in each angles. Okay, so we can calculate area of sector A D E F, which is A D E F. A D E F. I am calculating area of this portion, this sector area. Okay, so by using the theta divided by 360 into pi r square, substitute the value. Theta is equal to 60 degree. Now we found, divide by 360 into value of pi, which is given in the question. We have to use it as 3.14. Value of root 3 also, which is given in the question, that is we substituted first. Okay, so 3.14 into r is 100. 100 into 100. 100 means how you will get 100, because one side is equal to 200, which we calculated here. So radius means half of this one side, correct? So half of 200, you will get radius is equal to 100. So by substituting these values, we will get area of sector ADEF. So how can we calculate area of the shaded region? area of equilateral triangle. First of all, we have to take area of equilateral triangle that is given in the question. 17,320.5 minus 3 times we have to multiply this area. We found one portion area, but 3 portions are here, correct? So all these 3 portions we should subtract from the area of equilateral triangle. So area of equilateral triangle minus area of this sector, area of this sector, area of this sector. So equilateral triangle minus 3 into area of each sector. So 3 into this answer. After that normal calculation, you will get the answer equal to 1620.5 centimeter square is the required area. That means this shaded portion area. Okay.